no-till cotton farming for several years and soon found that cotton stubble was causing major damage to original OEM planter tires. The farmers then tried the urethane tires and were having similar problems such as excessive lip wear, difficult installation, and tire punctures caused by stubble damage. After multiple tire replacements, the farmers then teamed up in 2012 with a fourth farmer and machinist who helped create 4AG and the solid gauge wheel planter tire. Here's our 4.5-inch tire made from our patent-pending tough proprietary composition. This tire was built to outlast the competition with its durability to sharp stubble and rocks. With added UV protection and easy installation, this tire was made to decrease labor and downtime. The installation process works best in room temperature conditions. I'm using OEM wheel halves, but other brands of wheel halves and spoked wheels will work as well with the correct tire. I'm going to start with the metal wheel half, and I'm going to place it in, make sure that it's seated all the way to the bead. Next, I'm going to install the bearing into the plastic wheel half. I'm going to line up my holes, press it in. All of our tires are precision machined. That allows the tire to stay concentric with the disc. It's so easy to install, a farmer's wife can do it. This is 4AG's tire. We placed this on our planters in 2012 and it's the exact tire still running today, headed into its 8th season. As you can see, there's no damage to the lip. Prior to that, we were using urethane tires and OEM rubber tires. There's excessive lip damage and this one's split down the middle from cotton stubble. Still don't believe us? We'll guarantee a 3-year manufacturer warranty. For more information, you can visit us at www.4agmfg.com and like us on Facebook at 4AG Manufacturing. For inquiries and purchases, you can call 580-419-TIRE or visit your local Western equipment stores. Remember, these tires are made right here